Hello students, today I am here with the solution of mock test 2 of BITSAT, and today we will take up the questions based on English proficiency. Yes friends, you must have attended this paper. The first question in English was, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the key word. That is, you have to identify the synonyms. The word is tyranny. What does this word tyranny mean? Does it mean cruelty? Does it mean tranquility? Does it mean important, or does it mean madness? It is not madness. It is not important. What is the meaning of this word tranquility? Tranquility is peaceful. Tranquility is peaceful. So, this also is the incorrect option, and the correct option is option number A, that is cruelty. So, tyranny means cruelty. The next one, sanguine. Sanguine, the options given to you: desperate, opportunistic, optimist, or incorrigible. The meaning of this word incorrigible means with something which cannot be corrected, nothing with it. What is the meaning of the word sanguine? The way to remember this word, yes, if you have gone through the root words, she sang you will win, she sang I'll win, she sang I'll win, that means optimistic. So, optimistic is the correct answer for this one. What is opportunistic? One who waits for opportunity, nothing to do with this, and desperate. So, this the other three, option A, option B and option D are incorrect. The correct option for the meaning of sanguine is optimistic. The next example, the next question, in each of the following questions, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given word or phrases. One word substitute. Intentional destruction of racial groups. Is it homicide? No. Is it regicide? What is regicide? The killing of king. The killing of king is regicide. So, this is also the incorrect option. What is fratricide? Fratricide is the killing of one's brother, and the correct option is the intentional destruction of racial group or the generation is genocide. The next one, a person who looks on the brighter side of life, one who always is hopeful, who always thinks positive. So, what is the correct option? Straightway the correct option is optimist. Optimist is the correct answer. Pessimist becomes the antonym. Pessimist is the person who sees the darker aspects of life. Scholar is a learned man, nothing to do with the phrase given. And what is sycophant? Sycophant is chaplus, what we call in Hindi, flatterer. The one who flatters or flatterer is a sycophant. So, the correct option for question number 64, a person who looks on the brighter side of the life, the answer is optimist. The next set of questions, find out the phrase which can be correctly substituted for the underlined phrase to make the sentence grammatically correct. So, sentence has been given, a phrase has been underlined, and just see that which of these should be the correct option to replace this phrase. If you feel that there is no correction, the sentence is correct, the option should be D. Now, Katrina was too clever to see through his tricks. To see into his tricks is incorrect. To see at his tricks again is incorrect. To see his tricks, grammatically it is incorrect. So, Katrina was too clever to see through his tricks is the correct option. So, correct statement. So, the correct answer is option number D. There is no improvement required in this sentence. The next one, the customer said, please give me the another one. Please give me the another one. Yes, this sentence there is a correction, this phrase is incorrect. Give me other one, give the other one to me, give me the other one, or no improvement required. Improvement is required, so this you can eliminate out. Give me other one, the another one to me, this also looks to be incorrect. So, which one is the correct option? Give me other one or give me the other one, and the correct option is option number C, give me the other one. So, correct answer will be option number C for this question. Give me the other one. Next set of questions, in each of the following question, find out which part of the sentence has an error. If there is no mistake, the answer should be no error. sentence, read it very carefully. Salman's habit of delaying his work put his father for lot of trouble. And if you feel there is no error in this, then D should be your option. But friends, there is an error in this statement. Salman's habit of delaying his work, correct phrase, no problem in this. Put his father, no problem in this, for lot of trouble. So there is a correction over here. So the option C should be the one. And what is the error over here? Salman's habit of delaying his work put his father to lot of trouble or into lot of trouble. So thus this is the error in this statement. Moving on to the next example. As the party was going on, we noticed Mrs. Thakur fall back in her chair, gasping for breath. Read the sentence carefully. Where is the error? Is there any error in this? Yes. One fragment, one part of this sentence has an error. Let's find out. As the party was going on, we, no error in this. Now, the main clause is in the past tense. So, the subordinate clause also should be in the past tense. So, the word notice is incorrect. It should have been we noticed. So, the error is in part B. So, B should be the correct option. B is the part which has an error in this statement. Moving on to the next two questions. Questions based on analogies. Gun is to bullet. Similarly, chimney is related to what? So, you have to identify what is the relationship between gun and bullet. The bullet comes out from the gun. So, what comes out from the chimney? Is it bricks? No. Is it ground? No. Is it house? No. The correct option is smoke. So, the word should have been smoke over here. So, option number B is the correct answer for question number 69. And the last question for English proficiency. Clock is to thermometer. Clock is to time. Sorry. Similarly, thermometer is to what? So, what is the relationship between this? Clock shows time. So, what does the thermometer show? What does the thermometer show? Does it show heat? No. Does it show energy? No. Does it show radiation? No. The thermometer shows the temperature of the body. So, friends, these were the answers and the solution of the questions based on English proficiency for your BITSAT mock test 2. Thank you everyone.